The next shift we're experiencing right now is a communication shift. The mobile device is taking the place of the computer for instant access to messaging and the internet. So let's take a quick quiz. How many text messages does the average American teen send each month? Got your answer? Well, the real figure is 2,272. Traditional advertising is down. Newspapers are down 7 million over the past 25 years, while online readers are up 30 million in the last 5 years alone. 47% of all TV viewers say they would rather pay to not see the ads on their favorite television shows. This year, traditional advertising is in a steep decline. With numbers like these, why would you buy into a traditional ad campaign? But look at digital advertising. It is way up, growing rapidly this year, which makes me so excited about this new service offering from YTV. Mobile marketing is the future. Retailers and business owners can communicate with their customers through a simple messaging system, or SMS texting. They can send a coupon or a notice of a great sale, even a contest each month. Texting like this has a 98% reach rate, and 98% of texts are read within 4 minutes. With 1.5 trillion texts being sent daily, and knowing that 90% of the emails are never opened, it is proof that this service will be a financial landslide for those who see the vision of the future in advertising. It is expected to grow 800% in the next 2 years. So a 6-month package for only $299 is a perfect price to get started. Businesses are excited, and we at YTV are really excited. Now, aside all the excitement, I bet you're wondering, well, how does YTV guarantee my income? It is through our mentoring program called Coach's Way. It offers a $3,600 guarantee. The mentoring program costs $50 a month to be mentored by millionaire Coach J. Lloyd Tomer. After all, who better to teach you how to make money faster and with less effort than the man who built the compensation plan and founded the company? He's helped to build and solidify multi-million-dollar companies, and he will help you too. Remember, everyone needs a coach. Michael Jordan would have never been the great player he is without a superb coach. And you will have that same superb mentoring to help you succeed. Now, understanding that many business people like myself have paid thousands of dollars in personal development training that is not specific to our business makes this a perfect system, because it is specific to our company and it's designed to ensure your success with our company. And if you follow the plan and still fail, they're going to pay you. If you don't make a dime, YTV will cut you a check for $3,600. This takes away the fear of getting started. And if just 3 of your business partners get in on the same training to ensure their success, your $50 monthly fee goes away. It's free. And wouldn't you want them to achieve the best as well? After all, their success is your success. It is people helping people to achieve their dreams. Now let's just recap. YTV pays you 60 to 80% of the commissions generated by your site. You can achieve higher levels of commission through education and training. And YTV takes care of everything. They maintain the vendor relationships with all the major airlines, hotels, cruise lines, resorts, and retail stores. They have a fulfillment center for your travel customers' purchases, and they have automated commission tracking. You will have your own affiliate program where your customers can get 30% of the commission just for getting a free account through your affiliate program. Everyone will want to shop on your site. And remember, you match them dollar for dollar. And we would like to introduce you to the 50% match. When you build a team of reps in YTV, you earn a 50% match. Let's think about this. If just one rep on your team of at least 3 earned $100,000 in a year, you would earn $50,000. And I'm sure you're wondering, well, how do I build a team? Well, everyone will start out as an associate. It's free, and there's no purchase required to be an associate. Associates earn 40% of the BV. Now, BV is business volume. So if the business volume were $100, an associate would earn 40%, or 40 BV. Reps and senior reps earn more, and everyone likes to earn more, so for an associate to become a rep, they only need 150 personal BV in one 30-day period. So you could sell one of our packages, or you could purchase your own. Get started with your own travel site. Get started with your own SMS text messaging. With just one sale, you promote to rep and begin earning 50% of the BV. Plus, you'll earn a 5% override on your personal reps. And that's great, right? But senior reps make more. Senior reps make 100% of the BV and 10% overrides. There are two ways to qualify for the senior rep position. The first way is simple. You need 600 BV personally and at least 50 BV monthly until you reach your goal of 600 BV. The other way is easier and faster. Achieve 375 BV within your first 30 days of enrollment in YTV. So you could buy 2 of the packages or sell 2 of the packages and max out the compensation plan 100%. Why would you only want part of the money? There is a saying that individuals play the game, but teams win championships. And it is no different in business. All great companies are built on a team to make them successful, and yours should be no different. This is your opportunity to build a company within a company. You will start your team building with your first team. A qualified rep needs to achieve 1,200 BV to complete the first team. This can be accomplished a few different ways. You could buy your own package and find 5 others to do the same. And that is one way. You could also buy 2 packages yourself and find 3 others to do the same, and you'll be ready to move up to the top of the comp plan, the Power Team. Now, the Power Team will produce incredible income for you, so listen closely. It all starts with you. You're going to sponsor people into your Power Team. Start with just 3. And remember to get all your personal reps on the mentoring program so they can duplicate your success. They will start building their team and building you a network of entrepreneurs to build your company. It is no different than in a traditional business. You work off of a network of people who refer your business and recommend businesses all the time. The only difference, yet the most significant difference, is that YTV will pay you and no one else does. And the Power Team will produce bonuses for you as your company within a company grows. A $500 bonus is paid out every time your Power Team BV reaches 1,200. This is paid on the successful efforts of your entire Power Team. Plus, every time you reach 40,000 business volume in your Power Team, you earn a $10,000 bonus. And there are no limits to how many of these bonuses you can earn. We have a director's program that is unmatched. Our director's program pays out monthly bonuses of $500 to $12,000 monthly. And that's in addition to all the other compensation we've just talked about. The program gives free health insurance and life insurance to our directors as well. There is no other company that has these type of benefits and yet allows you to work from home, full-time, part-time, or spare time. Our director, Ms. Juliette St. John, only personally sponsored 19 people, and she has over 50,000 in her team. That's called exponential growth. As a matter of fact, she earned her first $1 million bonus in 2007. And this is so amazing because when she started this business, she was living out of her car. But she saw the vision, became coachable, and changed her life. This company is helping people change their lives. Now, aside all the other personal development and income benefits, there are tax benefits as well. IRS law says that if you work out of your home, you can potentially deduct a portion of your home expenses like rent, mortgage interest, insurance, utilities, landscaping, maintenance, repairs, cleaning services, and even furnishings. If you use your car, you can write off portions of your car, insurance, and gas. Now, these expenses are normally personal expenses and cannot be written off on your taxes unless you have a home-based business, which allows you to convert these expenses into a business expense, and in turn will reduce your taxable income, helping you to keep more of what you make. Now, always consult your CPA, one who understands home business taxes, so you can maximize your savings. So if you're like me, you're wondering now, how do I get started? Call the person who sent you to this presentation and get started today. You can become a customer. You can get your questions answered and get on your way. Today is the day you can change your future. Thanks for tuning in, and congratulations to those who have a vision to see their future.